T-Bird and Reds, paying the bills. Cheers all. Oh, let's do this in one take. So I'm over here cooking, and I come across these classic right here upon a classic. This is Cheech and Chong right here, my Scrotum. I decided to put this video up first because I can, and besides that, the original is 5 minutes long, so I'm going to talk about what I'm going to cook tonight. So let's check this out.
My Scrotum.
He's got a fucking rape band.
My Scrotum.
He lives down by the river.
Hey, do you know another tune, man?
Oh, yeah. Hey, what are you doing? Get back over here.
How you doing?
Highway. So stop right there. Stop. So here's the other. Here's the original. My Scrotum. That's the Knack. I think it's the Brit band. From Britain. Okay, so enough of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you a little bit about my dog. She eats cooked vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, carrots. And so that's what everybody wants to see. So this is a cooking video. Here's Nally. Hi, Mom. You're so pretty, sweetie. She's so good. She's taking a bath right now. Okay, so what I got cooking tonight is beef ribs. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I cook with whatever I got, and I'll put a video up just with shit I have. If you don't have this, don't put it in. I got some extra pico de gallo. So I'm going to I could make my own barbecue sauce, but it's easier for me to buy it. I know how to make it. It's just brown sugar, ketchup, salt and pepper, salt and garlic, or whatever you want. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend in some of this barbecue sauce and pico de gallo, give it a little flavor, maybe a little more salt and pepper. I don't know. I don't even have to cook it because it's going to go right on the barbecue. We're going to have beef ribs. I got some boiled chicken. Okay, I got some boiled chicken because that's what Nally eats. I can just throw that on my barbecuer and put some barbecue sauce on it, and we're going to have hamburgers and hot dogs and potato salad. I got the eggs already boiled like 3 times because I'm high as fuck. And there it is right there, folks. I still got breakfast going. Brother stays up at night, so it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and he's going to have breakfast. My brother's going to love me. T-Bird and the Reds telling you, stay tuned for part 2, and never trust a skinny cook. Peace.